Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platform called Pipedrive and ClickUp. So we're going to review its integration and CRM capabilities to help you make an informed decision about these two CRM platforms. So let's get started. Here's a quick overview. Pipedrive is a dedicated sales CRM built to streamline deals management, automate workflow, and provide a strong reporting ideas for sales teams focused on closing deals efficiently. Talking about ClickUp, on the other hand, is a high customizable product platform that can be adapted to function as a CRM project manager, task tracker, and more. It's popularly among teams wanting an all-in-one work management solution. Now, talking about the Pipedrive strength and weakness, the Pipedrive strength is a pre-built CRM with a visual pipeline and a deal tracking, together with a strong native and third-party integration like Zipper, Slack, MailChimp, and Google Workspace. It also has a sales automation and an AI-powered assistance. Talking about the weakness on the other side, it is not designed for project management or a broader team collaboration. It has a limited flexibility outside sales workflow and also has some integration requires IR plan or add-ons. It also comes with a price plan of 19.90 user per month. Now talking about ClickUp on the other side, talking about the strength, it has extremely flexible and can be tailored to CRM and task tracking or project workflow. It also comes with an integrate with 100,000 apps via a native and a Zipper integration to centralize on communication files, goals, and tasks. Now, talking about the weakness of this platform, it requires more setup and customization to act as a CRM. Also, it has a sales features like a pipeline and a deal tracking ain't as refined out of the box.